Hello and welcome to Cosmetic Academy. In this video, we are going to learn how to make yellow Bevex candle. Firstly, let's start with the ingredient. So I have yellow Bevel from PURENSO Select. Next I have some essential oil and fragrance oil, beaker, container or type of a jar, a pair of clip, glass rod and of course wicks. So here is the flakes of yellow Bevex. This is how it looks. Appearance and the color of yellow Bevex will vary from company to company. Okay. Now, have you ever wondered why yellow Bevex is used in candle making or why it is so famous? The reason is among all the waxes, Bevex has higher melting point and it emits brightest and most warm toned flame. Because of its higher melting point, Bevex lasts longer with respect to the other waxes. I'm keeping the beaker into the microwave for 5 to 7 minutes. You can also use double boiler as our ultimate purpose is to melt the Bevex, okay? But in double boiler it will take a lot of time. In mid of the time, let's set Wicks into our Matka ship container. In this way, you have to fix it with the help of the stabilizer. Stabilizer is our clips, okay? You can also use a glue gun to stick the wicks to the bottom of the jar, or you can simply use this method. In short, it doesn't matter the method as long as the wicks stay in the center of the jar. As simple as that. This is a melted beeswax. You can see in the melted phase, it has this golden brown type of the color which resembles with honey. Bevex has its own characteristic smell and somewhat similar to honey only. Now in this melted phase, we have to add few drops of essential oil into it. I'm using cinnamon essential oil over here. Mix it properly and after that add fragrance oil into it and mix it thoroughly. You know that the best part of the beeswax is that it can absorb the fragrance material so well for the longer duration. This quality of the beeswax leads for the longevity of its candle's shelf life. One thing, I'm using vanilla as an fragrance oil over here. The combo of vanilla, cinnamon and honey always goes best. And personally I love woody and dense note. Now our entire mixture is ready. So pour the melted beeswax into the jar by leaving an inch. Make sure that wick should not be replaced by its position. So for that, pour it slowly and steadily by leaving an inch. In this way, you have to fill each of the container. One more thing, you can use transparent glass jar container over here as they are trending much. But I personally like this warm color container as on burning it will give you a reflection of warm in the subtle kind of the light. Let's keep the jar aside and allow them to cool and set completely. After 5-6 hours, our candles are ready and set. You can see the change of color. It is exactly the same as of Bevex Flex. Now it's time to cut the wicks. Cut the wicks properly according to the height. And you can see our Bevex candles are ready. And this is how they are looking like. If you like watching my videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.